welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. Well, in today's video it's a simple recipe. I'll be showing you guys how I make passion fruit drink. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make this delicious drink, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video and give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and make sure you put on your notification bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. Alright, and you guys can follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright, and also you can check out my playlist and watch my other videos as well. Alright, I have a lot of videos on my playlist and you guys can check it out. Alright, and also I'm gonna leave in the link in the description box down below my link to my guava juice that I made previously. Alright, so let me just show you my ingredients. Enjoy. Hey guys, so these are my ingredients for my passion fruit drink. I have 2 cups of water here with some ice. It's cool water. I have my passion fruit here. I have some essence, lemon juice, and some sugar. So I'm gonna put it into the blender now and blend it. So the first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna pour in your ice water and your passion fruit. Then you're gonna put your essence, lemon juice, and your sugar. You can use brown sugar or white sugar, anyone. And you're gonna blend it up. So my passion fruit finished blending, so I'm gonna strain it now. Okay guys, so just strain out my passion fruit and I put it in the pot here. So I'm gonna pour it over now into my mug. This is how my passion fruit is looking. So I'm going to pour some now. Okay guys, so I just poured my passion fruit drink into the mug. So I'm going to pour some in the glass now and let you guys see. So I'm going to taste it now. Tastes really good guys. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. And follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care. Bye.